Unlock the power of social proof and skyrocket your Shopify sales by seamlessly integrating Loox reviews. First things first, let's head over to the Shopify App Store, search for Loox product reviews and photos, and click Add App. On the installation screen, review the details and permissions, then click Install App. This will take you to the Loox setup wizard. Welcome to Loox. We'll guide you through the essential steps to get your reviews up and running. Let's start with the basic settings. Here in the general settings, you'll find options to customize how your reviews appear. You can choose your preferred review widget style, how many reviews are displayed per page, and even set up email templates for review requests. Now, let's focus on adding the review widgets to your product pages. Navigate to the widgets section in your Loox dashboard. You'll see different widget options. The product reviews widget is crucial for displaying reviews directly on your product pages. Click on it to configure its appearance. Back in your Shopify theme editor, you'll now see options to add the Loox widgets. Typically, you'll want to add the Loox product reviews widget to your product page template. Look for an option to add a new section or block. Search for Loox product reviews and select it. You can then drag and drop this widget to your desired position on the product page, usually below the product description. Save your theme changes now. When you visit one of your product pages, you should see the Loox review widget ready to display customer feedback. To start gathering those valuable reviews, head to the email settings. Here you can customize and enable your review request emails. You can even set a delay for how long after purchase the email is sent. Loox also offers automated workflows. Explore options like incentivizing reviews with discounts to encourage more customers to share their experiences. And that's it. You've successfully added Loox reviews to your Shopify store, making it easier for customers to trust your brand and boosting your sales with powerful social proof.